So I've got 4x is less than 20, guys, or 3x is greater than 21. Now, it's already, Megan, a split compound. So I don't have to do that first step of splitting, because with or, it's pre-split. So all I need to do first is to take this guy over here, simplify down until it's just x on one side. Take this guy over here, split it down until it's x on one side, and then we can go ahead and graph. So let's take this one over here, and I put the cards. Where did I put the cards? Ah, there they are. And we're gonna involve this one. Mr. Barry, what do you want me to do with this? Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Okay. That leaves me x is less than or equal to 5. Piece of cake. Okay. No, it's. I was going to pull another, but Taylor, what am I doing on this one? Divide each side by 3. And that leaves me x is strictly greater than 7. Well, now comes the new stuff. Yeah. When I graph x is less than 5, close circle at 5, guys, it would go to the left, so I make a little arrow to say I'm going that way. X is greater than 7. Open circle at 7 goes to the right. And now we're graphing the word or. So that means anything that's in either shade counts. Which means it's all of these and it's all of these. Yeah. The only integer that doesn't work is 6. And 7, because 7's not a solution. Guys? What? Very, 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 very rarely. Sometimes on really hard problems you might have to, so you want to make sure you do that step of saying, okay, I'm going to go this way, I'm going to go that way, and then you check. It is possible, I'll put this over here in red as an illustration, that when I graph one, I'll be going that way. When I graph the other, I'll be going that way. And or means all the shading counts, so my shading would look like this. But that's very rare, especially early on. But I hesitate to say no because, well, if Thursday I say, here's a problem when that happens, I don't want you guys coming up and screaming and yelling and waving torches and pitchforks. What's up? As long as the variable is on the left, you can use the trick of it points the side to shade. But if I were to write this down, I'll do it in red so it's over here, not part of the problem. 5 is like that. Now it points the wrong way. See? These are the same things logically, but this one's going that way. You have to remember the variable must be on the left to use that trick. It's like that. Well, if I'm not following the rule, then do the opposite. Or yes. If it's or, it will almost always look like that. With the word or, both count. Any number that makes this true counts, and any number that makes that true counts. Because it's the word or connecting them. What's that? Well, no, because on the word and, we only shade where it overlaps each other. On or, we shade everything. Remember, on and, we shaded the part in the middle. With or, we have that gap in the middle, and we shade parts that are true. Guys, quiet. Guys, there are other people with questions. Take it down. Yes. No.